In today's video, I'm talking about a really awesome vlogging transition, and that is the lens cover. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, we're talking about the really awesome and really beautiful lens cover transition. Now, this transition is often seen in vlogs and travel videos, and it is a really awesome, creative way of transitioning from one scene to another. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to film and edit the lens cover transition. So a transition is that part in between one clip and another clip. It's how you get from this shot to this shot. And there are really creative and awesome ways that you can do this, and the lens cover is one example of that. So at the very end of the first shot, you want to begin by covering the lens. So we're just going to get rid of this for now. Let's say you're shooting a vlog, for example. You're going to talk to the camera, and at the end of the first shot, so you've captured what you need to shoot, you've captured your shot, and at the very end, you want to cover the lens with your hand. You want to make sure you completely cover the lens. If you've got gaps in your fingers and the lens can shoot through your fingers, then unfortunately this isn't going to work. You need the lens to be completely covered by your hand. Now, once you've done that, you want to stop rolling the camera, and then we're going to go over to our second shot. So this will be a new shot, a new scene, a new location, new clothing. You want to make this look different. So at the start of the second shot, we're going to start rolling the camera. So camera's rolling. We'll start with the hand covering the lens, and then 3, 2, 1, action, pull the hand away, and we go into our second shot. It really is that simple. So just to remind you, at the end of the first shot, we're going to cover the lens, we'll cut. At the start of the second shot, we'll start with the lens covered, pull this away, and we'll start rolling the shot. It's really simple and really, really easy. Now, when we drop both of these clips into the edit, we just want to make sure we cut the very end of the first shot and we cut the very start of the second shot. So at the end of the first shot, you want to find the point where the camera goes completely dark, the screen is completely black, and make the cut. We'll delete the second half of that video. And then you want to find the same point at the start of the second shot and chop the video right there. Now we'll just stick these two clips together within the edit, and when we play this back, we have a really awesome lens cover transition. And there you go, it's really quick, it's really easy, but it's really, really creative. So if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you found it useful, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.